When Nikon launched the original Z9, it completely disrupted the camera industry and changed how professionals looked at flagship mirrorless systems. By eliminating the traditional mechanical shutter and pushing the limits of speed, autofocus, and video performance, the Z9 quickly established itself as one of the most advanced hybrid cameras ever made. Now, according to a growing number of internal leaks and industry reports, Nikon appears ready to introduce its next-generation flagship, the Nikon Z9 Mark II. This upcoming model is not expected to be a minor refresh or a routine yearly upgrade. Instead, it looks like Nikon is preparing a major technological leap designed to challenge both Sony and Canon at the highest professional level. One of the biggest talking points surrounding the Nikon Z9 Mark II is its completely redesigned imaging sensor. Reports suggest the camera will feature a 46-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, maintaining the same resolution as the original Z9, but dramatically improving the underlying architecture. Nikon is reportedly focusing on speed rather than increasing megapixels, and this new sensor is said to deliver readout speeds nearly 3.5 times faster than the first-generation model. Such a dramatic improvement would significantly reduce rolling shutter distortion, making fast-moving subjects appear more natural and accurate even without adopting a full global shutter design. For sports, wildlife, and action photographers, this could completely transform high-speed shooting situations where precision matters most. The faster sensor performance may also unlock a much higher flash synchronization speed, reportedly reaching up to 1/720 of a second. If true, this would represent a major breakthrough for photographers working with artificial lighting in studios or outdoor environments. Faster sync speeds mean greater control over ambient light and motion, allowing photographers to freeze subjects with incredible accuracy while maintaining clean exposure balance in challenging lighting conditions. Powering all of this technology is expected to be Nikon's next-generation EXPEED 8 image processor. This new engine is rumored to provide significantly faster computational performance, helping the camera process enormous amounts of image and video data without slowing down. One of the most exciting rumored benefits of the processor is a native ISO sensitivity, beginning at ISO 32. A lower native ISO could dramatically improve dynamic range, allowing photographers to capture cleaner highlights, deeper shadows, and smoother tonal transitions. Bright outdoor shooting would become easier without constantly relying on neutral density filters to maintain wide apertures, giving photographers more creative flexibility straight out of the camera. For professionals who specialize in wildlife, sports, or fast-paced events, burst shooting capabilities could become one of the Z9 Mark II's strongest selling points. Leaks suggest the camera may capture full-resolution, uncompressed RAW images at an astonishing 60 frames per second. Even more impressive, users switching into DX crop mode may gain access to burst speeds as high as 120 frames per second. Combined with a massive internal buffer, photographers would be able to shoot extended action sequences without worrying about the camera slowing down or freezing during critical moments. Autofocus performance is also expected to receive a major upgrade through the use of advanced artificial intelligence and machine learning systems. Nikon reportedly plans to introduce smarter subject tracking, capable of recognizing not only faces, eyes, and vehicles, but also predicting movement based on skeletal positioning and behavioral patterns. This means the camera could potentially maintain focus on a moving athlete, animal, or vehicle, even if the subject briefly disappears behind an obstacle or changes direction suddenly. For photographers capturing unpredictable movement, this type of predictive tracking could dramatically improve hit rates. Video performance may be where the Nikon Z9 Mark II makes its biggest statement. Following Nikon's acquisition of Red Digital Cinema, reports suggest the company is working to integrate professional cinema technology directly into its flagship mirrorless lineup. The Z9 Mark II is rumored to support internal 12-bit REDCODE RAW recording using Red's proprietary R3D format, potentially making it the first mirrorless camera to offer this level of cinema-grade recording internally. This would give filmmakers far greater flexibility in post-production, while maintaining the convenience of a compact camera body. Another standout rumor involves full 8.3K open-gate recording at up to 60 frames per second. Open-gate recording uses the entire sensor area, giving creators more flexibility for reframing, stabilization, and adapting footage for multiple formats. Cinematographers would have the freedom to crop footage for widescreen films or vertical social media content without sacrificing image quality or composition options. To support professional filmmaking, Nikon may also introduce RED-inspired color science profiles and cinematic lookup tables designed to create smoother highlight roll-off, natural skin tones, and a more film-like appearance directly from the camera. A redesigned cooling system is also expected, helping the camera maintain long recording sessions without overheating even during demanding high-resolution shoots. On the hardware side, Nikon appears ready to improve one of the few criticisms of the original Z9 by introducing a sharper electronic viewfinder. The Z9 Mark II is rumored to feature a premium 5.76 million dot EVF with improved brightness and clarity, offering a more natural and immersive viewing experience. Dual CFexpress Type B card slots are also expected to remain, ensuring enough speed for handling massive RAW files and high-resolution video recording. While Nikon has not officially confirmed anything, industry reports suggest a possible announcement window in late 2026, with shipping potentially beginning in early 2027. Pricing is expected to remain close to the original Z9 launch price of around $5,500 for the body alone. If these leaks prove accurate, the Nikon Z9 Mark II could become one of the most powerful hybrid cameras ever created, combining elite photography speed with professional cinema performance in one flagship package.